Hey Taola, this video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to get a 50 Rand sign up bonus. Danko. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by the best coach in SA, Coach KP Nchakafere. Asinas Tibo, Asinas Tibo, yeah.
I didn't expect this Tibo, but it's fine.
Yeah,
but Oscar Chase. For Mamelodi, the most surprising thing from Sundowns is Rowan Williams return, and then you see Divine Lunga coming to start on the left, and then Umudiwa coming in. I think whatever that Sundowns was trying to do with Mudiwa playing in the center didn't really work out. Hence why we saw the substitute of Divine Lunga going off and then Mudiwa going back to the left back. For me, I feel, what do you call this? AmaZulu came with a great game plan. Because I saw their number 93. Whenever Sundowns had the ball, he would drop to Umukwene. Just so he doesn't become that pivot that Sundowns is looking for. But then look at what Sundowns does. When he drops in, they push Suarez. The moment they push Suarez, then it pushes their 93 to do what? To start moving off. So, and for me, before we go to the end, you asked me about man of the match. My man of the match would be Zungu Meoti. I think he lost one ball. And the ball that he lost, Sundowns almost scored. But the whole game, the guy was detecting tempo. He was in control of the game. It's very rare. It's very rare to see someone playing like that against Mamelodi Sundowns. You see. So for me, Uzungu played very well. XTN played very well. Unyemboze from Paganea, the centre back, played extremely well. They were very comfortable on the ball, which made AmaZulu very relaxed. Hence why first half it looked like AmaZulu were holding Sundowns. But now there's one thing. In football, they always say, the first 10 minutes of the game, the first 5 minutes towards end of the game, the first 5 minutes of the return of second half, and the last 10 minutes of the game are very crucial. You don't sleep on those moments. That's where Sundowns punished AmaZulu second half. Now I was sitting with someone and I'm saying to him, if it goes to halftime, not, Sales is gonna come in. And someone says, when you love someone, you love him forever. I'll give him a nickname, Sol for X.
Sales.
Whenever Sundowns has issues, go watch all the games. Whenever Sundowns has issues, they bring Sales in.
Sol for X.
Sol for X. He comes in, even if he does not get involved in the first goal. But his presence of coming in shows a lot. Look at the second goal. Who scores that second goal? You see. So for me, hence what I'm saying, Sales is what we call Sol for X. We've got issues, fine, let's find Sales to come into the game. Yola, I always say, if you're gonna speak about the league title, you cannot speak about Sundowns and not mention Orlando Pirates. Apparently on the other side, I think it's a draw.
Okay, coach, let me ask you this. So since Pirates draw today, is the league officially gone down?
I've said this on the 7th game that my team doesn't have the depth to compete with Sundowns on a marathon, mainly because of our rotation skill is very poor.
And Stellenbosch got a red card as well.
Well, I wasn't watching the game, but I was just saying, Sundowns has 8 games left. So games in hand are starting to show you that are becoming useless. You win your games, you get points. As we speak, Sundowns has less double numbers. They've got 8 games in hand. In those 8 games, even if they lose 4, believe you me, we can always have faith. And I said it before, faith doesn't play football. Football is played on the field and results are needed. People will attack me. I'm a Pirates fan and I'll never shy away from them.
But because
you need to be honest with your club. You need to be able to see what your club can do. You see, so just go back to the game, close it. Look at what the coach does, man. I don't know, Sundowns fans will come and say it. If you can look at Ukasongo, he didn't have the best of games and he was looking tired towards end of the Jersey number 10, Ribeiro. He was looking extremely tired. But because they were leading 1-up, you can't take such a player off. Because they know the importance of the team. That's the game management. The coach can read the game. He understands that is 1-up. So let me keep the dangerous man in the field As much as he's not playing, there's 2 players that are looking after him. You see, he didn't have much game, but then he comes in. So let's, in closing, man, congrats to Mamelodi Sundowns. If it's not written Betway 2025 Mamelodi Sundowns champions, can I write it? If anyone,
you are writing it today?
Let me. No, I wrote it on the 7th game of the league. Go look at my video.
Yes, yes, coach.
Look at it.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Go back to the video at Orlando.
Yeah.
It was the 7th game. I remember Tammy saying I don't favor Pirates. I told him straight up, Orlando Pirates is a team that can compete.
But they don't have depth.
Title contenders. Title contenders versus champions. In the field of play, you can always see. And the moment you start differentiating title contenders and champions, you will be fair enough and honest enough to say my team can compete, but they can only compete until the last game.
Coach, before I let you go,
Yes.
what's happening Sunday? Pirates and Sundowns. Yeah, Kimang Winanda.
Okay, so this is what I'll do. I hope the weather doesn't disappoint me. Sunday normally I spend with my hand, my fro melt. It's like a go enjoy football.
Yeah.
But I can tell you this. If Mudiwa starts, I want you to listen to me. If Mudiwa starts, Pirates has a chance of winning the game. If Mudiwa starts with Suarez, Pirates has a chance of winning the game. But one thing that I can tell you is this. The game will be won in the middle field. As to who's going to win it, I foresee a draw or Sundowns win.
Thank you, coach.
If Pirates wins this game, I don't know, man. It will be, you know, when you win and you bring that faith up. Because Pirates fans will think if they win Sunday game, they're back in the title race.
So Pirates is not back in the title race there.
It's over, Yola. It's been over for a while now.
What's
the results in Cape Town?
0-0.
Remember, let me close it. When the game started, it was 16 points. Gap, ne? Pirates drew, ne? So let's give them a point. It's what? It's 15. Now you plus Sundowns 3. It's what?
18.
Let's close it like that.
Coach, man of the match?
Zungu for me.
Zungu, yeah.
For me, Zungu had great.
Yeah, I'm to Steve will be back next game, but that's not Steve.
Interview.
Coach.